Hey guys, Susie here. I hope you all are doing well. Thanks for tuning in today, and thank you to everybody who's been subscribing and has been subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching each and every video. I love you guys and I appreciate you being on here, and thank you always for the comments that you leave me on my videos. I really love reading them and talking with you guys. So today's video is something that's kind of been requested in the past. Since I've been getting BoxyCharm, I've been getting requested to do try-on videos with the products that I get in my BoxyCharm. So that's what I'm doing today. And I did open my BoxyCharm box on camera with you guys the video prior to this video, or possibly 2 videos prior. And I have used a couple other products yet, so this is definitely not a first impressions or anything, because I did want to go ahead and try out some of these products. And the time that I opened my box, it was like evening time, so I already had them open, and I kind of wanted to be a little bit familiar with some of these products. But there are some products in here that I have not used yet, so I haven't used every product in here yet. Actually, I've only used 2 of the products in my box, so it is still sort of a first impressions video. So the first product we're going to be trying out is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I just washed my face. It is really dry today. We had some snowfall last night. It's been very cold here and my skin is absolutely parched. And I'm really excited to try this out because I haven't got to really try anything from the Tatcha brand. I think maybe once I had some like kind of skin cream that I got in Ipsy and I really did like it. But this is the first time getting to try out this mask. And I did already use one of the products, and it's the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and I used that in my hair after I washed it and before I blow dried, and it did a really good job of conditioning my hair, which feels really soft right now. I haven't done my hair yet because I'm still getting ready, but I did want to let you guys know I did do this. I just didn't do it on camera. This stuff does smell really good. It smells wonderful. Has like a kind of a floral, fresh kind of scent to it. I really like it. So I did go ahead and use that already. And then now I'm going to be using the skin mask. And then we're just going to go ahead and like get ready and process. So that's why I have my vanity on. I'm going to do like my foundation and stuff. And then I'll come back and we'll do the next step. So the next thing after the skin mask is I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and we're going to be using this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. And I have been using this. I've used a couple of the shades from this palette, and I've kind of got some mixed feelings about it. I do like it, but again, I've got some mixed feelings about it, and I'll let you guys kind of see how that goes when we apply this together. So I'll let you be the judge of it and let you kind of decide for yourself. The one thing that I will say about this is that I really wish there was more than one matte shade. This right here is the only matte shade in this whole palette, and I just feel like this shade right here, which is Malibu, should have been a matte shade. I feel like if this had been a matte shade, this would have been the perfect palette, because this would have been a great outer crease color, outer edge color, whereas all we've got is this one transitioning shade. And I just really can't find a lot of use for using a shimmery shade this dark in the outer edge. I don't know, to me it doesn't make much sense, but I do really enjoy the colors. I do like the shimmery colors, and I'll let you guys be the judge of whether you think they apply well or not. Then we're going to be using the Starlux eyeliner, which, to be quite honest, I'm not that excited about because, I don't know, I did do like a swatch of this on my hand and it came off very easily. So yeah, I don't know how this is really going to work. Plus, I kind of have a feeling it's going to kind of bleed and run onto my eyelid, like into the hooded area here. So we'll see, but I will give it a go, and we'll see what happens with that. And then lastly, I'm going to try to make this look cohesive, but I'll be using this Ofra liquid lipstick in the Havana Nights shade that I got, and I am very much not excited about using this because I just am not a fan of this color. I think it's beautiful, but not on me, and I personally don't really want to be wearing it. I think it's going to be way too dark for me, but since I am doing a try on for you guys, I promised you I'm going to try to make it all work. It's just kind of hard, like, to get this and this, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so first up, let's take this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. This just says, for centuries, Japanese women would brew botanicals into an enriched elixir captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. And yeah, basically this is just supposed to give you a dewy glow. There's some lightweight rice germ oil here, some botanical oils and extracts, microfiber sheet mask. Drenches the skin with 20 milliliters of hydrating serum. That I do like because my skin is super dry. And then it just says the mask feeds skin with our signature trio of Japanese anti-aging superfoods, green tea, rice, and algae. So we are gonna put this on and leave it on for 15 minutes. And oh boy, there is like a white pasty substance in here. Wow, okay, they were definitely not kidding. So I'm gonna kind of just get some of this off as I'm pulling it out because it's gonna be way, way too wet. Okay. It smells good. It has like a really light kind of scent to it. I look like a total goofball right now. I've got the mask on. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and we'll be back. I'm taking off the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and I also did my foundation really quick. So quick little review on this. I really did like it. It does have a nice little light scent to it. Not really like floral or anything. Really, I guess just kind of like a milky scent to it. But it felt really good on the skin, very cooling, made my skin really soft, and I have to say my skin definitely was much more moisturized after I used this, so I really did like it. This was a pretty good product. I got 2 of these in my bag, and I will definitely be getting some use out of the other one. The only con I would say is that when it comes in this package, it is very, very, very wet. And I actually had to like squeeze some of the liquid out and leave it here in the package because it would have literally been like dripping off of my face. But this is a really good little serum. It's very light, and I just patted the excess in after I took the mask off. Just has a really nice little light scent to it and worked really well, so I was very happy with this. I'm ready to do my eye makeup, and before I do that, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow primer. Since I didn't get any in this Boxy charm, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer, and this stuff is amazing, you guys. I really highly recommend it. It makes my makeup very hard to get off later on at night, but it does last throughout the day, doesn't crease, it keeps the colors vibrant, and I really highly recommend it. I believe it was like $19.99 at Sephora, which I think is a pretty good price because, actually I think it might have been like $14.99. I feel like it was under $20. So if you like get the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, that's normally like 20 something, I think. This is less expensive. This is less expensive and it works, I think, better actually, and I kind of like the formula better. So yeah, went ahead and applied some of that, and now we're ready to do our makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a brush. I'm just going to use this Harley Quinn brush I got in I think I got this in a Ipsy bag. It's a Luxie brush, a Luxie 110 brush, and I'm just going to take this and I think I'm going to just dust a little bit of an all over lid color. There's not really one in here that isn't shimmery, so I guess I'll use Compass since it looks a bit nude. I prefer to use an all over matte shade, but I guess we'll just extend this all the way up to the brow. And now I'm going to do my transition shade. So I'm going to get a fluffy blending brush when I can find one here. And I guess I'll use this one. This is a Miss Glam brush, and it's the T35 Precise blending brush. And I'm going to take the shade Tiki. It's the only matte shade. And I'm going to take some of this and just apply that into the crease. Very light on this color. It's a very light shade, definitely just a good transition shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply something darker into our crease because we don't have much definition there. So I'm going to take a more precise crease brush. This is from the Inspire brushes. This is a 282i fluff brush. And I think what I'm going to do is take, I guess we'll take the shade Raise that's down here. And take some of that and we'll try to put this in our crease, I guess. Not really a good crease color, but I'm gonna take a eyeshadow brush. This is a Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush. And I'm guessing the color I'm going to use is probably, I think I'm going to probably use Escape, which is right here. And I'm probably going to take this and apply it to my lid area. A really pretty shade. I really do like this shade. This one is one of the prettier shades in this palette for me. Very shimmery though. So that looks pretty nice. And I just want a little bit more of a pop of color. So I'm going to take this shade Treasure, which is the lightest shade. I'm going to take some of that and apply it just to the middle of the lid. I guess since this shade is here, we'll go in with this Malibu shade, which is the darker shade in the palette, I guess. And we'll just kind of go into the crease area over here on this outer edge and try to maybe give it some kind of definition. This is kind of what we got going on. I think I'm gonna actually add just a tiny bit of that Malibu shade over here on this side. I feel like I have more on one side than the other. I think that's a little bit better. I don't think this is worth $36. Sorry, I love Tarte, but I mean, I could have got shades like this in the drugstore. Definitely not anything fancy. I mean, I think they're pretty, but yeah. That's kind of how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and do our eyeliner now, and we're going to take this Starlooks eyeliner that actually just totally fell out. Wow, this absolutely sucks. So yeah, apparently if you go like this, oh, just totally fell out. That's not a good look. That's not a good look. Well, let's use it anyway. Let's try to maybe get some use out of this. I'm going to go ahead and line the upper lid with this. The color is okay. I'm really not a fan of this right now. I can't believe it literally just like broke and fell out of the tube like that. And I have not used this product yet. This is my first time using it. It does drag the lid quite a lot. Okay, yeah, so I wouldn't recommend this product. I wouldn't purchase this. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this, to be honest. I don't even like the fact that it's already broke, and I may use it in like my to-go makeup bag in case I ever just for some reason need an eyeliner, and this is like an emergency situation type product. But yeah, definitely I would not purchase this, and I would not be using this often because I don't really like this product, and the quality is just not very good right now. I've used better Wet n Wild eyeliners, and for this eyeliner to be like, I think it said $19 or $20 is ripoff. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara really quick, and then I'll join you guys back here to try on this lip color, so be back. I got my mascara on, and I did just want to mention really quickly, when I was at my vanity, I did notice that I had a lot of fallout here from the eyeshadows, so that is something to be wary of. Just to know that you probably may get some fallout here on your eye area, but it was easy to blend away because it is a like natural or nude shade, so it just easily kind of buffed away with a brush, but just saying. So I did my mascara, and I'm ready to put this on. Not really, but let's just do it and get it over with. So I have heard good things about the Ofra liquid lipsticks. I'm just not happy with the color that I got, but the color is just, yeah, it's Havana Nights, and it is definitely kind of a violet purple shade. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a very hard time getting this off of my lips after this video, but let's try it out, and I will at least be able to tell you guys what the consistency looks like. So, all right, let's go for it. The formula feels pretty good. I like how it's kind of a thick, creamy formula. Yeah, this color is gonna, I look like a goth right now. I mean, I really look like a goth. Okay. So I've got it on, and yeah, this is not a color for me. It's very dark, and I feel like a goth right now. Just saying. Not something I would wear maybe on Halloween or something, but not for everyday wear, and it's just not really a shade that I particularly like. The one thing I can say is it does make your teeth look whiter, which is really nice. So that is kind of a bonus. It doesn't make your teeth look yellow, but yeah, it's already starting to dry, and it's pretty matte right now. And the color is very rich. It's a pretty color. I do like the shade and everything, but just not on me. Let's see if it transfers onto my hand. Okay, so it did transfer onto my hand. It may not be all the way dry yet, but there could be some transfer with these liquid lipsticks. But anyway, that is all of my products. This is the try on, and this is the lip color. So hope you guys enjoyed trying these products out for me. How did you like the products in your Boxy charm this month? And what do you think of this look? I mean, seriously, I'm just not feeling it. Not with the blonde hair. Maybe if I had dark hair, but So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Leave me some likes down below, and I will be doing more of these if you guys enjoyed them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.